How did this happen so quick? I'm one stiff Steffi, and it's no fun, 'cause I can't run or jump or dance or kick. I'll practice longer, I'm never gonna stop, then I might have a chance. I'm feeling stronger, I'll make it to the top. Here I come, I'm really gonna dance.